Retail and footwear are one of the categories of commodities which have always had the luxury of a steady demand, especially in a huge market like India. I mean, people want to buy essential goods. But the corona lockdown has affected value footwear brands very hard. All the brands are renegotiating rents for their showrooms, in some cases, even shutting down non performing stores. Cash conservation is the key for players like Liberty as well. And even they are not immune to salary cuts, increment halls in these tough times. We have with us Adarsh Gupta, entrepreneur and managing partner at Liberty. Sir, thank you so much for taking out time for us. Mr. Gupta
Great
will
pleasure,
talk to
Abhinavji.
us. Thank you, sir. Will talk to us. He will talk to us about the footwear sector, which employs more than 50 lakh people, primarily from the weaker sections of society and largely women. Many of them are today uncertain about their possible future. Lately, in a letter to the Prime Minister and Labour Minister, Gupta ji has proposed a scheme of financial assistance for the established registered with the Employees Provident Fund. As per the scheme, the subject to of which is subject to approval by the government, funds lying with the EPFO can be used as loans by employers for disbursement of full salaries to the workers for the next 5 month period. We're also joined by Dr. Batra, Dr. Anurag Batra, who's the chairman and publisher at Business World. Uh, Gupta ji, my first question to you will be: what was going to your mind when you wrote that letter to the Prime Minister and the Labour Minister?
Thank you, Abhinavji and Anuragji, for giving me the opportunity of coming face to face with you. Now, as far as the thought process is concerned, I think I have a quality of a good thinker. And when the country was passing through this crisis, some of the business friends used to ask me that what if your father were alive at this point of time? Because he is known for his skills and he is known for probably bailing out everyone associated with him from the hours of crisis. And we have never seen such crisis, but we have seen many crises before because Liberty is in existence for last almost 65 years now. But in our history of last 65 years, we have passed through many crises. And one of the biggest crises was when uh, one of the chief minister of Haryana got angry with us and we had to shut down our plants for almost a month. Now, not only our plant, but the entire country and the whole world is shut down. Now, in this situation, the government is working very hard to fight with Corona and also fighting with the economic challenges which is being posed to the government and all people associated with the industry. And the government is working on several new ideas. And on, I think, 27th or 28th of March, the government of India, through Ministry of Labor, issued some notification that they are willing to use EPFO fund to pay the provident fund of employees and also the employer contribution for the next 3 months. And so this thought gave me an idea that yes, EPFO, the purpose of the fund is to probably secure the future of the subscribers, which are employees of this fund. And then I started thinking about this, that how can probably these funds can be used in a better manner so that uh, because few thousand rupees help will not going to bail out the industry from this problem. So I kept on researching on this idea, and by I think 14th or 15th of April, my thoughts were very clear, and by 18th of April, I was ready with the complete solution, which I then forwarded to the Prime Minister, and simultaneously I sent it to the Labor Minister, and I got a chance to meet him immediately because on 18th he was in his constituency in Bareilly. So some of my relatives went and met him there in Bareilly, and he was kind enough to give me time. Immediately he arrived in Delhi on Monday 21st.
Okay.
Fantastic. So, just to bring everyone up to date with what Mr. Adarsh Gupta proposed in letter to the Prime Minister was that EPFO should give 50% of the contribution that has come from a company as a loan, and for the next 5 months there should be a moratorium on payments, and post that there should be a 10.5% interest. And in his calculation, if it was done the way he suggested it, it would put 10 lakh crore back into circulation, right? So that was his suggestion. It was a practical suggestion, keeping in mind that the government's coffers are already stretched. To expect, more from the government than what it is doing right now for business SME is welcome, but there need to be practical solutions. He gave that solution. Mr. Gupta, I would like to ask you, in these times, what matters is leadership. Tell me, what is the kind of leadership you've seen in the last 30, 40 days at the government level, at the entrepreneur level, at the community level? And tell me, what is the kind of leadership that is ideally needed in these challenging times?
First of all, let me add to what you have said about the proposal is concerned. In the proposal, the funds are to the tune of 10 to 12 lakh crores. I do not know what is the exact figure, but as per the information available on internet, it is about 10.5 lakh crores on July 2018. So after that, maybe 18 months have been added. So the corpus must have reached a level of, say, 12 lakh crores. Now, I have proposed a moratorium period of 5 months for not paying any installment, but also interest-free period.
Sure.
And
yeah.
The proposal will allow industries to pay the salary for next 6 months. If, let us say, the entire 5.5 lakh employees subscription is used, it will be good enough at the rate of 15,000 per month for entire community of workers who are contributing to this fund. And I have proposed that out of the entire fund, only 50% should be allowed to be used. The rest should remain with the funds. Now, as far as your question of leadership is concerned, in my view, in the last 1 month, we have all become very darpoke. All the leaders of all big industries, the kind of fear which is spreading in the entire world, we have become darpokes because we are business leader. We are not leader of people. So if you look at probably Prime Minister of India, he is not a business leader. He is leader of people. So with his courage, he has been able to take bold steps since he has become the Prime Minister of India. But my personal feeling is that the more you are educated, the more you are probably your entrepreneurship skills dies, and you start fearing because you are grown up in an environment which protects you. So parents do not allow you to go out of home and allow you to start taking risk right from your childhood. So they protect you, and they probably the parenting such that it does not encourage the entrepreneurship. So therefore, in the present situation, I would say most of the business leaders do not know what to do because they lack courage, which is required. For example, I am used to work from home, and I am also used to work from anywhere. And you have come to my office
home, I have
2 times, which is office cum residence. And my father has probably adopted this culture of work from home. So we in Karnal started our operation. So our factory, office, and residence was together. And wherever he opened a branch office within India or outside India, this culture was spread all across the world. So when I moved to New Delhi in 1989, I was forced to probably adapt this model, whereas I, as a young graduate, resisted that the office and residence should be separate. But he said, no, our business needs. So you have to be available 24 hours. So now in the present situation, most of the business leader do not operate on this model. So the business is done from their office, and they stay with their family at home. So there is a big distance. So that is why probably technology is playing its role, and most of the people are trying to work from home. But I remember that whenever I have gone away from Delhi on holidays or for any other social engagement, I always used to carry my file and my computer. So therefore, I think now people have realized that if, let us say, you are cut off because of such corona, and you are not allowed to move out of your home, then how are you going to conduct your business? So therefore, what I feel is that we have to come out of this fear. How soon, I do not know, but I remember a famous dialogue of Sholay film where Gabbar Singh said, "Jo dar gaya, samjho mar gaya." So I think the condition of most of the people in this country is that they are so scared. तो वो आप सब डरे हुए हैं. जब डरे हुए हैं तो दिमाग ही काम नहीं कर रहा कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए. And in such a situation, you have to maintain your mental balance. Only then you can think of finding solution to come out of this problem. And there is another advertising slogan of I think Mountain Dew, जिसमें जो ये है कि डर के आगे जीत है. तो जब तक हम अपना गोल जीत ना बनाए, तो इस डर से हम बाहर कैसे निकलेंगे? So we have to fight Corona as a winner.
So, Mr. Gupta, see, yours is a very low margin domain, right? It's labor intensive, low margin. Whereas the other industries, some of the other industries that have also been hit are very high margin, high profits, right? You're low margin, low profit. So why are the other industrialists so afraid? What, you expanded on that, saying that they're kind of afraid. So why are they so afraid? What makes you think they're so afraid?
You see, in this situation of crisis, everybody want to conserve cash. So when consumer want to conserve cash, the luxury item or expensive item is something which will get cut definitely. So most of the brands which are working on a hefty margins, naturally there is a brand premium attached to it. So if the brand premium is 5 to 10%, it is considered reasonable. But if it is 25% to, let's say, 50% or even more, then it is not reasonable. So wherever probably the margins are very high and the products, similar products available without brands are available at half the price or even lesser, I think most of the people in the post-corona scenario are going to probably switch to those products which are available at very competitive prices.